MAELYS Beauty gifted me their new body acne line. So first off, we have the Acne Body Cleanser. This does have 2% salicylic acid in it. So if you're dealing with some back knee or some chest acne or some, what is that, buttne, when you have acne on your butt, this is great. Just keep it in your shower and you can use this daily to help clear out those pores and fight some of that bacteria that's causing your breakout. And once you get out of the shower, you can treat those areas with Be Lucid. This is the targeted body acne gel. Also 2% salicylic acid. I believe that's the strongest strength of salicylic acid that you can currently have on the market. And this is always nice when you're trying to get something started. But here you go. I'm actually going to wash my hands after I'm done with this video, since I don't currently have acne on my hand. But I just wanted you to see the texture, and it's non-sticky, feels almost like a moisturizer, so that's nice. They call it an acne gel, but it feels like a cream. Great. Put that on your chest, your butt, your back, wherever you're having acne. This is not for your face. And then finally, you're having trouble reaching your back, you're having trouble reaching around to treat the buttne, you got Get Back. This is your targeted body acne spray. So there you go. That makes it a little easier. You're having trouble reaching around to treat those areas. You can just spray this on. This is also 2% salicylic acid. So there you have it. You can get back, you can be lucid, and you can get gone with MAELYS' new body acne line. Thank you, MAELYS, for gifting me these, and thank you for watching the video.